The Boston Blizzard of '78, a storm that covered up crime? Possibly. A historic snowstorm, a city trapped, and crimes that went unnoticed. Let's talk about the Blizzard of '78. Boston was hit with 3 feet of snow in February 1978. People were stranded for days, and police, well, they were very overwhelmed. That's when something eerie happened. Multiple crimes went unreported. People went missing, burglaries increased, and some even believe murders happened, but were never solved. Could this storm have been a cover for crime? Do you think authorities hid the real numbers of how many crimes actually happened during that blizzard? Should I do a deep dive into the Blizzard of '78 to find out more details? Let me know.